Hello and welcome back. So guys, in this class I'm just gonna teach you some more interesting things about the Bootstrap. I'm just gonna create another UL and LI combination. If you just know that we just use the UL and LI for creating the navigation generally in the simple HTML and CSS. So yes, we can do the same in the Bootstrap as well. So there I'm just putting the A tag hyperreference. At this time I'm not putting anything, I'm just simply spotting it plain. So by the way, home, duplicate this, software, duplicate, gallery, duplicate, and the music, anything you want to put you can put there. I'm just going to the UL. Well, before going to the UL I'm just gonna go to the browser, and this is the basic thing. Okay, so now to making it a menu, what we have to do, we have to actually go to the CSS and then we have to apply a lot of properties, but there just simply apply this class list inline, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got the menu, you can see that looking really perfect. Then you can apply any style on that. By the way, we have the complete navbar feature in the Bootstrap. I'll just guide you later on in sub-chapters. By the way, the other thing I'm just going to show you in this class is the another div. Okay, or I think before the divs, why not I just teach you about the UL and LI again. So there I'm just creating the class of nav and then add any space, and now which type of navigation you want. I just want the tabs navigation. Okay, now going inside and then just creating the LI. Okay, so there I'm just typing home again, or why not I just put the A tag. Okay, so there just cover this up, and there I'm just going and adding the hashtag again, and there what I'm just doing is typing home, duplicating this one, and then just typing software, duplicate again, and then the gallery, the music, anything you want to type. Now go to the browser and refresh. This is the thing which I just wanted to create, and I got. Definitely you can see that this is just like the simple menu, but this is actually not the menu, this is a tab view. So if I just add the class of the active here, I'm just adding the class of active, not there, actually there on the LI I'm adding the class of active, then you will see something new. Refresh now, you can see that the active tab is looking like that. If I just click there, nothing happening, because actually the active tag class is on this one, this software, by the way. But now before going further, why not we should learn some more things about the simple navigations. So there I just simply copied and pasted this one, the previous one. Go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that this one is the new one. So what I'm just doing is actually here, this one is a gallery. Okay, so I'm just going after the A tag. Okay, before the LI, the galleries I'm inside the galleries LI, and before the ending tag of the LI I'm just creating another UL, which is actually called the nested UL or nested lists. So there I'm just creating another list here. The work is looking really simple because it is. There I'm just adding the hash again, cover that, and then here I'm just typing sub posts, duplicate 3 times. Okay, perfect. Now going there to the UL and adding the class of the drop down. I'm just gonna make the drop down here. Okay, so I just added the drop down menu, which is more necessary by the way, and then just going to the top area, this is the A tag, and there I'm just adding the class drop down toggle. Okay, perfect. Then the data toggle drop down. Okay, that is super perfect. Hyperreference and the, oh sorry, I just don't need the hyperreference because I already have the hyperreference there. Now save, and do not need to do any more things. Just go to the browser and simply refresh this. Now the gallery has the posts. You can see that when I just click on the gallery, I'm getting the posts or the things which I just added in the drop down. This is super actually. So what more I'm just gonna do is actually, this is the a tag. I'm just adding any space there, and the span tag. Okay, now they're just adding the class of caret. Okay, so while I'm just adding the class of caret, you already knew that when I just refresh that, now I'm just getting the sign, as you can see that the arrow. So this arrow is clearing that there is something like the drop down. So guys, I hope you understood about the drop down as well, about creating the navigation in the tabs way with the drop down. We'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.